Oh, goodness.
Shame on you.
And oh.
3, 2, 1. Hi guys!
Guys.
You're fake. You don't watch my videos. Do I say hi or hey?
You just said,
hi,
hey, guys.
You got me confused. 3, 2. Oh wait, what am I doing?
Hey, guys.
Look at the camera, Mom. Hi guys, so I'm with my dad and my mom right now, and they're gonna be rating my rave outfits. Yeah. I thought this video would be funny because like rave outfits are not scandalous, but they show like a lot of skin just because it's super hot during raves and all that. What is your guys' opinion on my rave outfits and stuff?
I think they're super revealing.
Yeah.
They're a lot of fun, but it's appropriate for what you're going to.
Yeah. What about you?
For Dad, no bueno.
But he
Too much
supports.
skin, yes.
Okay, yes.
If you like it, then I'm okay with it.
I feel like if you feel good wearing it, then that's all that matters. You're not a slut for what you wear.
Because I wish I had let loose more.
Oh God.
If I had my rave outfit at 21, I'd have pasties.
Oh my God,
Right.
I dressed my parents in rave outfits.
Yes.
What is she? Okay.
Okay.
Thumbs this video up if you guys want me to do a video of me dressing my parents up in rave outfits because I think that'd be so funny.
Or thumbs this video up if you want us to pick her rave outfits.
That's a good one. Let me know down below if you guys want us to do that because I think it'd be so funny. Also, I hope this video gives you guys like ideas if you are going to a rave or festival. I feel like it will. There's a ton of outfits. So, Dad, why are you looking over there?
I'm just like, I'm waiting for the sun to come out. That's like after. Are we gonna say subscribe?
Subscribe below and click the post notification
Yep.
in the upper.
Also, which one do I look like the most? I want to know. Comment below. Let's get started on this video. 3, 2, 1.
Lego.
Oh my God.
Oh.
You have to look at me.
I love it. Yeah, I think it's so sassy.
Dad looks so uncomfortable. He's like shaking. I feel like I look like an EDC like dancer. Yeah.
Except for the booby.
Okay, you have to rate it 1 through 10.
I'm gonna go a safe 7 for now to see what else we got.
Yeah, I'm gonna say I agree.
A 7.
I think
So a C.
Ooh. I mean,
Yeah, I'll say C for now.
Dang.
wanna-
Okay, do you think this outfit is expensive or cheap?
I'd say
Parts.
average.
How much do you think it
I'd
was?
say $60.
Total?
Yeah.
How much do you think?
probably $35.
A 35.
Is it comfortable?
Not really. This set thing, this part was, I think it was like 40, and then this harness thing was 140.
The harness was 140. Shame on you.
Oh my God. This set with the skirt is from Shop Beaklets, and then this is from Etsy. So I feel like this is really expensive. This is probably one of my most extra outfits, and I'm wearing this at EDC.
Perfect place for it.
Turn around and let Mom see.
Aw, so cute.
So you guys give this a 7?
Wait, how much money was that? 140? Like over $200?
Yeah, probably. No, probably like 180.
It doesn't include the shoes.
Yeah, I'd give that a 7 just because I don't like the cost.
Okay. This is probably like one of the most conservative rave outfits out of all of them.
So does that mean your dad's gonna give it a 10?
Probably. Okay, you can open your eyes.
Do we look now?
I don't like that.
Oh!
I don't like it. It's too covering. I mean, if you're
I
gonna
like
be
it.
no.
No, I like it.
I think it'll be itchy because I think
Yeah, it
this
is
is itchy and it's not showing enough.
Yeah.
Because the raves are supposed to be like,
The
It's
butt.
not very conservative on the back.
I
Yeah.
kind of like it, but I give it a 6.5.
6.5.
Yeah.
oh, I give it like a 3. I'm not a fan at all. It's not like bam, you know what I mean? Like, it reminds me of like your 10-year-old birthday party or something. You know, got your little leotard on and got your little cover up on. Nah, I'm good.
Okay, do you think this is expensive or cheap?
I hope it's not expensive because you need to
I
return
don't
it.
think. Because I need to return it?
Yeah.
Leotard was like 20 from I Heart Raves. This was from Dolls Kill, which was probably like 30.
I'm really surprised.
This would be cute with like a black outfit under it, maybe.
I think you might be right.
This isn't really me for raves.
I don't think so
it's
at
like
all.
that cute.
Next.
This one took forever to put on. It's such a hassle.
I love that. I love that.
I think I'm wearing this one to EDC too.
That's real cute. Yep, I love that. I think that looks really good. What's this?
My boob's about to pop out. There's like 2 pieces. So you see the bikini under.
Yep.
And then this. Do you think this is cheap or expensive?
I think
I
that's
think it was
gonna
expensive.
be expensive.
Okay, how much do you think the bikini was?
I'd say $70
I say
for
40.
both.
40.
Mm-hmm.
And then how much do you think the harness
Well,
is
based
worth?
on the other,
No, all together, I'd say about 200.
say 175, 180.
Altogether, it was 90.
So love it.
You approve?
I approve. I give that one an 8.5. Maybe.
Jeez, what's gonna be a 10?
You know what's gonna be a 10.
Oh my gosh.
You guys
That's
want to
not
know
fair,
what?
She already knows.
She loves the green outfit. That's her
But
favorite.
That is-
my favorite so far was the one that you just had that I gave it 8, so I'm giving that a 7.5.
7.5. Okay.
No, I like that.
Okay.
So cute.
Next one. So I'm gonna trick them on this outfit. I don't really like this outfit that much. I mean, it's all right. I actually wore this outfit to my first rave. This is what it looks like. I mean, come on. I mean, the bow looks good. This is like 2015 Sarai going to her first rave. I feel like Snooki. Watch them like this.
Oh, that's cute. I
What?
like it.
Really?
Yeah, that's cute.
That's not bad.
You like the shoes too?
That's not bad. That doesn't really match with that. I don't think.
Well, it's like iridescent, so
Oh, yeah.
you know what I mean. So any
Yeah, but I
color
like
would
the-
match.
I like the top.
Does it look familiar?
Yes, you wore it with a backpack.
With a
before.
back. It has a hood.
Yeah.
I wore this at my first rave.
Oh, girl, I ain't gonna remember that.
I hate these now. I thought they were so cool. I
That's
don't
good.
think it's really flattering.
So should we rate it a 10 because it was her first
That's
rave?
sentimental. Yeah, that's what I was
That's
thinking.
what I was thinking.
Aw.
Really?
Yeah,
Should've
just because.
told me that.
Oh my god, they're rating this a 10.
Say
It's
9.5.
sentimental.
9.5?
It's in the no special category.
It's sentimental aside.
Okay.
But it's 6.
Okay. Oh,
She's
also, I'm not
extra.
trying to be mean to anyone that's like gonna wear this at a rave.
Oh, I am. I am being
It's
mean.
fine. It's picturing
I
somebody
know.
crying.
I'm so sorry
I
if you
feel
have
like-
that taste.
Oh my gosh. How much do you think this was? Do you think it was expensive or cheap?
$45 for the top and $20 for those.
Okay, I think these were both from Amazon and this was 30 and this was 10.
A basic.
Those shoes.
It doesn't flatter my boobs at all. Look at it.
No, but you used to have big boobs.
Used to.
Yeah, she used to have big boobs.
They deflated. You guys have probably already seen this outfit. It doesn't really fit anymore because I like lost weight.
Yep, I
I
like
like
it.
that one.
You
I like
know?
it.
That
Yeah.
It pops out. Yeah, but I think that's
I like
something
that.
you would feel comfortable in too. I like that one. Reptile, whatever kind of deal.
The reptile.
Doesn't it remind you of like one of those cartoons when we were younger? What
Like
was the name?
He-Man or something.
Yeah, like
He-Man?
She-Ra?
She-Ra, yeah.
I don't know what that is. Do you think this one was expensive or cheap?
Well, it's only 2 pieces.
It could still be expensive.
Say $40.
Total?
Yeah.
The bottoms were 38, the top was 32. So I don't know. Like average for a rave
That's
outfit.
$70.
Yeah.
That's not bad. Because it's not flimsy or anything. It's pretty thick, actually.
It feels like it's like windshield
Oh,
colors.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, and then when you do your little,
My glitter.
Yeah.
that really match with that.
I think so too. I like it.
Okay, what do you rate it?
That's gonna be an 8.
About a 7.
7. The first one was a 7.
Yeah, a 7. Because I know what she's got.
Next one.
The only
outfit,
thing I
and that's
don't
gonna
like
be a
is the clasp.
The
You see
buckle?
Yeah,
That's
the-
the trend.
That's the trend. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what I know.
Really nice girl on Etsy. She like hand makes all of her outfits
Oh,
by
that's
all
cool.
by herself and stuff. And she sent me this one. Thing is called the Raving Princess,
Aww. Oh, I like that.
and it's pink.
Yep, I like it. I think that's why.
I don't know.
Yep, that's cute.
No.
That's
I don't
cute.
know. I like it, but I'm thinking like a dad.
Yeah.
That's like I'm going to bed, kind of like, look at me, I'm sexy.
The top looks like this. Okay, ignore my spray tan. Tied right here.
Because
I love
I
it.
like it.
I like the
That's
color.
that's
I
probably
love
my
it.
favorite one.
I love
Okay.
it. You just said you didn't like
the
it.
She-Ra. No, I don't like
He
it.
doesn't like it
Yeah.
because it's on his daughter.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I
Right?
don't even think it's that revealing.
Very cute. I love it.
Expensive, or do you think it's cheap?
And then the
Yeah.
bottoms, you have to
You have to tie it. Yeah.
So
Be careful.
I'm just thinking Sarai.
Gonna like go undone.
I rated a 9.
This
I
is their
love it.
top one.
I love
wow.
it.
Is it
I
because it's pink and you know it's my favorite
I-
color? How much do you think this part was? Not the kimono.
Just the bathing suit part?
Yeah.
$120 for top and bottom.
Okay, what about the kimono?
$50.
Okay, so yours is flipped around. This is $100, and then the set is $50.
No,
All
well,
together, $150.
Yeah.
Props
that's
to
the best.
her.
So this is their favorite one
Yep,
so far.
I like that one.
Straight. It's inside out.
Wait, really? Oh my god. Okay, ignore that. Also, I couldn't find my harness. I'll insert it, but just like imagine.
One of my favorites. If you had your harness and everything on,
Yeah.
I would give it a 10.
Nice and sunny with the glitter. And
Yeah.
Sunny with the
Sunny.
glitter. I really thought the first one was gonna be a 10.
No!
7.5.
7.5.
Why?
Only because I know I like the other one better.
Okay, do you think this was expensive or cheap?
I think it was average.
$60 for
60?
the green part, $30
Okay.
for the black part.
This green thing was $20. This crochet thing and the bottoms were like, I think they were like 80.
The black part's $80?
Yes!
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
I kind of feel like that Patrick Star. I don't think you've seen it, but the Patrick Star like meme.
Sarai, stop.
Dad, what game are you playing?
Clash Royale. Sorry.
I've actually worn this day to day, but I feel like you can wear this at a festival and it's kind of conservative, I guess you would say.
Dealers, yeah. I like that.
So I'm thinking like a bumblebee, a yellow
bumblebee?
jacket. I'm not a fan. I used to like it, but I feel like it's played out. I'm good.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
5.
No.
Only because it doesn't look ravey enough.
I feel like this is more like festival wear.
Yeah.
I give her a 3.
5?
5.
No.
Dang!
I say $40.
I saved $60 on that.
I think it was like 100.
That makes it even worse.
Shut up, Mom, I can't put that in there.
Oh.
They're not a fan, whatever.
No, not a fan.
Picture me at like a winter festival. This is the light up jacket.
Oh,
You
very
can't really
nice.
see it, but it's really cool.
I love this one.
I like it.
Yep, I do too.
I like how the pink pops.
Do you like it because it's all covered?
Pink pops.
Oh yeah.
I feel like it's pretty expensive. I mean, you got the lights in the jacket, and these are really cool pants.
And then these are the pants.
The
Pretty
jacket's like
expensive.
120 and the pants 80. And then this right here probably
It's-
40, 50.
We're pushing over 200 on that outfit for sure.
I don't remember how much the pants are, but I know they weren't that expensive, but they're from Doll's Kill, I believe.
So
No, the Fashion Nova. So they weren't that expensive, and then this was the same top in the last one. The jacket is from Amazon, and it's like, I think it was $70.
Oh geez, way cheaper than what we thought.
So
Okay.
not that bad.
No, that's not bad at all. I would rate it like a 9.
I give it an 8.
I don't think we're gonna get a 10, to be honest. Okay, what do you think?
You know what I think.
I know this is her favorite color,
Yeah.
clearly.
I like it.
Love it.
You do? And it's really comfy. I love this. And I don't know if you guys can see. There's little like diamond accents right here. These
Oh,
are
yeah,
the
it
boots.
actually matches too, yeah.
Yeah. Do you think it was expensive or cheap?
All together, probably $70.
I say 50 for the outfit.
The set was $38 from Doll's Kill. I feel like that's a really good deal.
That is a really good
Yeah.
deal.
I give it 8.
Okay, I'll give it a 9. I did a 9 because
She's
it, first of all,
actually no-
it's my
I
favorite
know.
color.
I think you literally gave a 10 to the one that I didn't like, which was the one that I wore at my
Yeah,
first
I
week.
think-
Only because it was sentimental.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below, let me know.
She needs her own channel.
Right?
I know, she really does.
Yeah,
she has
she's loving
lots
this.
to say. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it gives you guys ideas of like rave outfits and all of that. Comment below, let me know which one you guys like the most or you guys like the least. Yeah, let me know down below.
Tell me what you guys thought was a 10.
I'm hurted
I'd say
a little
onesie
bit.
would've got
Heard it a
10.
little bit?
I'm hurted.
You're hurting it.
So don't forget to subscribe down below and turn my post notifications to be notified when I upload. 3, 2, 1.
Bye guys!
Say